Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have fantastic news coming from Spotify Camp Nou. FC Barcelona has officially received the Phase 1C license, allowing the reopening of the Gol Norte stand and increasing the stadium capacity to around 62,000 spectators. This means thousands of Barca fans will finally return to this section starting Sunday when Barcelona face Sevilla FC. It's a major milestone in the stadium reconstruction and a big step closer to bringing the legendary Camp Nou atmosphere fully back to life. Current estimates suggest the renovation could be completed around 2027, marking the full return of one of football's most iconic stadiums. So stay with us, because today we're going to show you some amazing new developments and fascinating details from the ongoing construction at Camp Nou. One of the most noticeable updates today comes from the Diamond Store area. All the glass panels have now been installed, and the change compared to a few days ago is very clear. The 3 glass panels above the entrance are now in place, giving the whole front a much more complete look. Workers are still finishing some details on the upper section, but this area is already starting to look close to its final design. Step by step, the stadium is beginning to show its modern appearance. Over at Gol Sur, the progress is really exciting to see. The prefabricated sections of the 3rd tier are being installed very quickly, and the structure is rising day by day. Only a small part remains unfinished. So if the pace continues like this, the entire tier could be completed very soon. Even without the seats yet, the stadium already looks taller and much more impressive. Another area moving forward nicely is the installation of the lamas in the false ceiling. Workers have been placing these panels steadily throughout the week, and the progress is now clearly visible. On one side, the lamas have almost reached the end, while on the other side, only a small section remains. Workers are also painting the steel beams before the remaining panels are installed. In front of the sandwich panels, workers are building a structural platform walkway. Some sections already have the floor installed, while other areas are still being completed. Once finished, this platform will allow maintenance teams to move safely around this part of the stadium. It's another step that slowly connects the whole structure together. One of the most striking moments today was when the crane lifted a huge structural beam known as a riostra. The piece was slowly raised toward the upper structure, and it looked like it was about to be installed. However, during alignment, the workers noticed something wasn't fitting perfectly, so the beam was lowered again to the corner area for adjustments. The size of this piece is truly massive. Elsewhere, workers are installing red pipes along the ceiling structure. These appear to be part of the stadium's fire safety system that will run throughout different areas of the building. The installation requires careful coordination between workers and crane operators to ensure everything is placed correctly. At the Gol Norte corner, work continues on the upper structure. Scaffolding surrounds several areas where workers are preparing formwork panels for upcoming concrete work. Drilling activity can also be seen on one of the pillars, while teams continue working across different levels of the structure. At the Gol Norte stand, workers are focusing on smaller finishing details. Some structural elements are already installed, while a few remaining parts are still being prepared. Overall, the structure here already looks quite advanced and is slowly moving closer to completion. In the final corner of the stadium, trucks are removing construction bags and leftover materials. This cleaning work is helping prepare the space for the next stage of construction. At the same time, the outer structural supports in this section already appear fully installed. And that brings us to the end of today's construction update. Progress continues across the stadium, and in the coming days, we should start seeing even more visible changes. Current estimates suggest the renovation could be completed around 2027, marking the full return of one of football's most iconic stadiums. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new update. We bring you the latest progress every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.